How do I get Dragon to use the correct formatting? This is a question we get quite a lot, and it is a really easy fix and super handy feature, and it is called Manage Formatting. So I want to show you just how this works. So a great example that we get from clients a lot is getting Dragon to know the difference between writing the word degrees and using the actual symbol for the word degrees. So let's see what my Dragon Medical 1 does out of the box. It was 30 degrees. Okay, so you can see here that it is writing the word degrees instead of giving the correct symbol that I would prefer in this case. So this is how we're going to fix it. Manage formatting. So Dragon brings up this window. Manage formatting with various different subcategories below. I'm going to take a wild guess and say that degrees will be under measurements. Let's take a scroll down. So let's go to other units. And here we go, degrees. So at the moment it's set as spoken. We don't want it as spoken. We actually want the degree symbol. Okay. So I've selected that. And we would choose as Fahrenheit and degrees. Okay, so let's close that and see if that works. It was 30 degrees. Okay, so there we go. We now have the degree symbol coming in by default every single time I use the word. Let's take a look at another example. Time is a common one as well we get with Dragon users. For example, if I said the time now, it is 10 o'clock. I am getting the full written 10 o'clock. I might not want this. I might need to be more specific. For example, it's 10:59 a.m. So let's go back into Manage Formatting. Manage Formatting. And we'll close measurements because times here is what we want. So let's go into that. So at the moment it has got here right o'clock. So we don't want that. So we're going to click never. We don't want o'clock. So we've changed that to never. We don't want o'clock, which if we're talking spoken form, you can see the examples here. That is what we're wanting. So that should be correct now. So let's give it a go. It is 10 o'clock. There we go. We have 10:00. And as I mentioned earlier, if we have to do specific times, it is 10:59 a.m. There we go. So there we have it. That's a little quick demo on Manage Formatting, a really good example of how you can tailor your license to how you like things and how you need to speak. Most documentation for any organisation has to meet specific requirements, and Manage Formatting is a really great way that you can ensure you are keeping to those requirements.